Hey everyone, this is Sarah Etter, your millennial seven-figure raising capital coach and millennial real estate investor. Today, I want to talk to you guys all about raising capital. You know that it's my niche and it's how I became a multi-millionaire in less than 3 years by investing in real estate using other people's money. My journey started way back when I was just a struggling millennial with nothing to my name. By the time I got started in real estate investing, I knew that my only way forward was raising capital. So I'm here today to encourage every single one of you to know that you don't have to give up. If you don't have financing, if you feel like you have hit a wall, if you know that real estate is your way forward to a financially secure future, you can do it. I have dug myself out of debt. I have struggled. I started with not a penny to my name, and today have raised over $5 million in capital for my own real estate portfolio. I've paid off my debts. I quit my corporate job last year to do this full time, and I completely turned my life around by raising capital and using joint venture partners. So today, I'm so happy to announce the launch of the Ultimate Raising Capital course. For the first time ever, I've put all of my knowledge, everything that I know about raising capital into one online course. It is over 8 hours of content, 6 comprehensive modules, all about raising capital. If you've never raised capital in your life, by the time you're done this course, you will know it all. Everything from how to find partners, how to create a killer online brand, and how to negotiate and deal with all of the legal contracts and documents that you are going to need to become a joint venture expert. Because if you're serious about scaling a serious, large portfolio and you want to retire early and have true financial freedom, you're going to need to learn how to raise capital. So I want to give you guys a little sneak preview of exactly what this program looks like. So this program is fantastic. It's 6 modules. Again, it has everything that you need to know about raising capital, why we need JVs, all the value that we bring to the table with joint ventures, finding our niche, and a power team. We'll also talk about all the branding content you need, persuasion and branding, relationships, how to attract people running to you, and getting started on social media, which you all know is my area of expertise. We'll go so in depth about finding JV partners, where to get and start looking for these JV money partners, and of course, a lot of exercises and real life action along the way. We spent a whole entire section just on pitching the deal, how to make calls, book meetings with investors, where to find them, and how to create an outstanding presentation to get a yes. We go over the legal process in depth of what to do with hard money, creative deals, how to negotiate different deal structures and splits with your JV partners, and all of the legal pitfalls to avoid. Finally, in order to create your own real estate empire, we need to talk about all the systems. You need to understand taxes, incorporation, how to report finances to your partners, and all of my best systems and technology I use in my own business. As a bonus, I'm also giving you guys something called the resource library. Basically, you're going to have access to all of the resources that I use myself in my own business. Everything from JV agreement samples to due diligence checklists, recommended reading lists, deal templates, presentations, and more. And you will get lifetime access to all of these videos and all of these documents on demand whenever you need them. So I hope you enjoyed this video and it gave you a great overview of what you're going to learn in the Ultimate Raising Capital course. I'm so excited to have you on board. I know that if you follow these modules and take action like me, you too can have the portfolio of your dreams, early retirement, and your own real estate empire using other people's money. I hope to see you guys there, and good luck.